Cuban.
Good morning, everybody. I have exciting news. This is the end of September of 24, and we have NVDA, and we went on our buy now, pay later program. What I will show you on NVIDIA, if you go out to January, we'll go out to January, because these are when the contracts expire. January 25th. And if you look down here at the $90 put options, they are buying the $90 puts, and they are buying down here at, you could have bought them at 20 cents on the $90 puts. This is on buy now, pay later program, and it drops below it, then you get paid 5 to 1. You don't have a lot of money. You want to be invested. You pick your long side or your short side. That's entirely on you. I will show a chart like I am now. I will show you that the retail public is buying them. Now, if you are on buy now, pay later, I mean, you could have got these at actually around 10 cents. Yes. You don't have the investment now. If you don't think that NVIDIA goes higher and goes lower, that's what everybody is saying. Buy now, pay later. You get paid. Call me at 503-753-0062. We are starting October 1 out with a gang move for retail investors, all rich, poor, you name it. We are addressing it. You can go long, you can go short, you can just make that biggest money you've ever made to close out year-end opportunities. This is what the retail is doing. I can imagine if you go on buy now, pay later, and you own these at 20 cents and you have 100 contracts for $2,000, you're up $17,000. Those are the numbers. Invest today to get paid tomorrow.